How many hours have you wasted debugging sluggish search APIs or writing spaghetti code for autocomplete? If you're a backend developer wrestling with Elasticsearch quirks, a data engineer drowning in unstructured datasets, or a DevOps lead battling query latency, this pack is your escape hatch. Our search implementation pack gives you full text search with NLP powered synonym detection, dynamic faceted filtering using inverted index compression, context aware autocomplete with Redis backed suggestion trees, and a relevance tuning dashboard with live A B test metrics. No more reinventing the wheel, just production ready patterns that slash 70% of your implementation grind. Let's be honest, you'd rather optimize your coffee intake than another broken search algo. Here's what's inside the Search Implementation Pack. Data preparation with semantic chunking strategies. Inverted index optimization using roaring bitmaps. Faceted filtering engine with nested aggregations. Autocomplete module leveraging try structures and fuzzy matching. Relevance tuning toolkit with BM25 parameter sliders and clickstream analytics. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a library, it's a complete architecture blueprint that transforms your messy search requirements into a precision machine. Installing the Search Implementation Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add Search Implementation Pack. That's it. You'll get the entire workflow: data prep scripts, index optimization playbooks, and the A/B testing dashboard, all synced to your workspace. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now understands query expansion patterns, and your CI/CD pipeline gains instant search health checks. No PhD in Lucene internals required. Just run the command and watch your search problems disappear faster than a 404 page.